incident. It's one of those days that bantwana bam nandinonke bahlali balapha David Mama, you must never take lightly. I am presenting to you the Honorable MEC for the Department of Education in the province of the Eastern Cape in the name of Mr. Fundile Gade Nanko Ela Papapwi uzokuthetha nani emenywa yi-incident yalapha esikolweni. Ndithi ke mthobeleni kunonke stakeholders and everyone who has seen it important to join the MEC. Xa esithi MEC uyeza apha in advance, we want to really appreciate this gesture. Sawunikezela ke kumphathiswa ke bantwana bam naba bantwana base David Mamba bethe khulumembe mphathiswa awuthethe nabo. Inkosi.
Enkosi kakhulu TTG, andithathe ithuba kuqala ndibulise kakhulu apha kubefundisi, ndibulise ku-chairperson we-SGB ne-SGB yonke yesikolo, okhansela abakhoyo base-BCM, onke bengingqi katata uKhubusana, amagosa karhulumente akhoyo apha ngokubizwa ngokokuxilonga kwawo kwii-departments zonke ezikhoyo ezilapha. Imibutho ndiyaqaphela uba ikhona imibutho yabantu ekhoyo apha kanqa zonke. Abazali babantwana abakhoyo apha, naye wonke umntu okhoyo apha ne-media houses ezikhoyo apha, mandinibulise ngale mntazana. Ndithathe ithuba ke ukusondela kuni ngendicinga into okokuba noko sifanele kuwenza amazwi mabini mathathu ngokokubana sibone kufanelekile into yobana sizofika namhlanje apha, noba ke sibizwe ngaluphi na uhlobo, kodwa ke kubalulekile into yokubana siyitholole. Kuqala mandibulele ngokungazenzisiyo on behalf of government kwaba abantu babe ngamaqhawe wokwazisa urhulumente ngesi siganeko. Ayonto ilula into yokuchaza ingxaki ngoku ekhoyo kwisociety, ngoba isociety yethu is rotting to the core. Once you become more relevant and reasonable in the midst of all wrong things that are praised by many of us, you are likely to have consequences. The extent ikele ebonakalisa ukonyuka kwenhlenge ebhotileni yamanzi kwehla amanzi, ibonakalisa loo nto le nto into yoba singakhe kuthi kanti sicinga uba sibaninzi kuba sibona imvuzo, kanti bambalwa abantu abakhoyo apha phakathi kwethu. So ithetha ukuthi ke loo nto kuzawufuneka si-understande into yokokuba this is a constitutional state that is defined in terms of laws. And yiloo nto ke le izawubangela into yobana si-outline i-process ke. Sinicele nonke into yokokubana asifuni ngxoxo namntu kule nto. We are just going to outline the process. Ukufuna ingxoxo uzoyixoxa phaa kwela maqonga afanele baxoxa le nto. Not here. One, bobahlanu aba bantwana bachaphazelekayo apha, they must be given letters of suspension as I'm speaking. Bakulinda igate ebhalwe kulaa leta kuze babe kumkhondo wabo apha kwesikolo.
Yes.
Balandele i-discipline Disciplinary Procedures Act that is defined by law. That's 2. 3, bonke aba bantwana bachaphazelekayo baza kuza nee-parents zabo. Kula hearing izabe definwa kula letter. Ukubuya nongabuyi kwabo esikolweni kuzawuxhomekeka kula ngxoxo kula platform. Okulandelayo bonke aba bantwana bangamaxhoba wale incident. Uqala namhlanje ubheka phambili. Urhulumente must take care of them.
Yes.
Urhulumente must take care of them in terms of their own psychosocial services, in terms of their own emotional and psychosocial state of readiness.
Yes.
Ingozi yale nto yinto yokokuba umongameli weli lizwe uthe i-gender-based violence and femicide is a pandemic.
Hello guys, welcome back to Chef this Soul TV News. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, do comment in the section down below if you ukhona mhlambe officer ukuthi ukusho. So la bafethu we've seen recently a video yengane ke yakhona lapha Eastern Cape, one of the schools akhona ke Eastern Cape, and then ihambe isirculate yatrend kwaze kwaba ukuthi ke ifika kubaphathi noma ke ngizothi ke kuma authorities ngempela ke afanele noma ke are relevant. So this is some kind of a bullying kahle kahle beyenzeka lapha ke I think it was 3 or 4 boys engibabona ke shintshana eshaya ingane yentombazane laphana ngempama. Ngizothi ke phambi kwa-driver ngoba u-driver for sure uyayazi leya nto futhi ubeyibuka yenzeka phambi kwamehlo akhe. There is something abengayenza because iy'ngane leziyayana angeke ahlulwa iy'ngane uyabo. So I guess nangalokho nje into engekho right kwayona leyo ukuthi umuntu omdala ekhona kodwa kube kwenzeka ububi phambi kwamehlo akhe. Number 2, iy'ngane eseziyindala leziyana, even ngisho nakuzona iy'ngane nje within iy'ngane khona ebhasini there was something mhlampe-ke ebezingakwazi ukuthi-ke ziyenze if ever bezingagqugqumezeli indaba yodlame. Kwakuzona lezi ebezenza this act. I think-ke even ngisho emakhaya eziphuma kuwona kumele mhlampe beqale-ke amanye ama-steps towards i-behavior yey'ngane. Wesiphathi-ke ingane yesifazane le ekade zihlanganyela, I'm not saying ukuthi-ke bekumele zihlanganyele eyesilisa, even fighting nje all together while nifake i-uniform eyodwa represents or it shows something else because i-behavior ekumele ngabe iy'ngane ziyayithola esikoleni. I think i-discipline ezifundiswa ngayo esikoleni iyafana yabo. Nokuvikelana nje nabantu abafake the same uniform, nifake uthayi owodwa, you are representing the very same thing. Like even ngisho kwalona izwe linivikela ngendlela efanayo but you are all fighting together at the same time. That's not a very good thing. That act was very unfortunate. So bafethu la MEC uke wa-responda towards these ngizothi yeah, this some kind of i-action eyenziwe yizona lezi ngane-ke yayo le incident yaba viral lapha e-Eastern Cape. So naye-ke u-MEC wakhona laphana e-Eastern Cape kwa-education ufundile-ke kade uvizithe sona lesi sikole esaziwa-ke nge-David Mama Senior Secondary School khona lapha eMdantsane, following laphana-ke a disturbing bullying incident involving a female student or a female learner. So le incident bafethu-ke yenzeke laphayana-ke ebhasini njengoba-ke sesike sasho, and it was captured khona ebhasini, from nje ebhasini up to beze bephumele ngaphandle njani 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 njani. Bakhalile-ke abantu ngalesi senzo esenziwe yilezi ngane, because-ke kunabantu asebebadala, but then they were victims of bullying at some instance. So some even ngisho ama-comments ubezwa besho ukuthi okay fine, nathi sadlula ey'ntweni enjengale, and then-ke kanje kanje kanje, kodwa-ke bamfisela-ke umntwana ukuthi-ke agcine ekwazi ukuthi-ke asizakale, noma engathi umntwana-ke ozokwazi ukugcina-ke esizakalile. So lezi ngane-ke kahle kahle kuthiwa beziwu-5, and-ke la ngizokhuluma-ke ngezinto-ke ezikwaziwe uku-achieve-wa noma ukwenziwa u-MEC mayefika nje lapha esikoleni, and then-ke izinto ezikwazi uku-achieve-wa ividiyo ngokuba viral kwayo, because without le video being viral, le ngane-ke ibingeke ize ikwazi ukusizakala nje ngaleyo ndlela leyo, yabo. I think this will set also an example towards abanye-ke abasaqhubeka nalesi senzo sobubi noma nayo i-bullying ey'koleni. I'm sure there are so many awareness enziwayo regarding indaba yokusetshenziswa kwey'dakamizwa ey'koleni, regarding indaba yama-drugs, regarding indaba ye-health mhlampe, and also izinto ey'thinta i-bullying, yabo. So I will not say ukuthi-ke lezi zinto iy'ngane azazi ukuthi-ke zimbi, yabo. Azazi ukuthi-ke ziyisenzo sobubi, so ziyenza lento eziyenzayo knowing very well ukuthi okay, this is not a good thing to do, and it's against the law as well. So yeah, kuthusile kakhulu umphakathi ukubona le video ngoba ikhomba ubulwane obukhulu ey'nganeni esiy'zalayo njengamanje. Okay, kuthiwa 5 learners la were suspended for physically assaulting the girl and filming this attack. Uma siqhubeka futhi laphaya, the bus driver was also suspended for failing to intervene during the incident, of which nami-ke I asked myself ukuthi how lana-ke ngibona ngathi kunomuntu omdala o-driver, so how does he allow such a thing ukuthi yenzeke ebusweni-ke noma phambi kwamehlo akhe. Looking forward, bafethu, MEC Gade assured that the victim will receive emotional and health support laphana-ke, as she reported head pain following the attack. The Department of Education also is conducting a full investigation expected to conclude within the 14 working days, and a disciplinary hearing are set to begin as soon as possible. Laphana-ke the Bella Act also and the safety protocol with South African Police Services are being enforced as well to combat or to stop bullying, violence, and also drug abuse in schools. As I said before, there are so many things happening at schools. When ungaze uyitshele ubona i-behavior yey'ngane then uyitshele ukuthi-ke no, lezi ngane-ke azikwazi noma azikaze zitshele ngalezi zinto ukuthi zimbi, but then-ke lezi zinto-ke ziyenzeka nje ey'nganeni, zizitshela ukuthi zona ziyazi, ngisho sezitsheliwe pho thina sizoba nani sizokwenziwani. And there's this tendency yokuthi iy'ngane because they know ukuthi abakabi na-18, kodwa-ke bayakwazi ukwenza izinto ezimbi, but-ke umuntu ongena-18-ke akaboshwa nani 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 nani. Because of i-lack of information ngaleyo nto leyo, they end up going to a wrong direction, bezenza lezi zinto engafanele ukuthi bezenze, while lezo zinto zi-against the law. They are not realizing ukuthi-ke bayakhula, and leyo act umuntu ayenze emncane engakwazi ukufeyisa i-punishment yayo esevile mayefika kuwona lo 18 years. Okay, so going forward, bafethu, the incident has reignited national concern over learners or learner-on-learner violence and the safety of pupils beyond the classroom. If you like, laphana ke uphawula mhlambe ngalolu daba, you can also contribute nge-engagement yakho ke kuyona la i-comment section, because this is a national concern, not only about this incident, kodwa-ke nje nakwezinye iy'ndawo kuyenzeka uthole ukuthi vele akubanga khona ividiyo yebo ezo-circulate-a njengale, but uthole ukuthi kuyenzeka iy'ngane ziyahlukumezana ey'koleni ngey'ndlela-ke ey'ningi ezahlukahlukene, not only ngale ndlela but ezinye zibambana ngenkani ekuthenini zilalane nani nani nani. So I think this is one of mhlampe-ke examples ukuthi-ke i-South Africa-ke isengcupheni engakanani-ke nje kusukela lapha ey'nganeni in terms of mhlampe lento ze-violence wabo. Ngeke ngisathi gender based because iyenzeka vice versa yabo. So I think bafethu we have to teach iy'ngane i-discipline, indlela ekumele zikwazi ukuthi-ke uma kukhona mhlampe something ezingabonanga ngasolinye ngalo, at least going to report umuntu, ungayibuyiseleli ngokushaya nani 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 nani, because leyo nto leyo ayiyisani ndawo yabo. At the end of the day nje ikwenza ube isilwane emphakathini ophila kuwona, nomuntu nje ongeke wathendwa yabo. Abantu besilisa laba, iy'ngane lezi ebezenza lento okumele ngabe ziyayivikela yona le ntombazane, ekumele ngabe zithi uma yikhula futhi zivikele-ke umphakathi-ke ey'phila kuwona. Bafethu, ngingafisa ukuzwa imibono yenu la kwi-comment section ngezansi, kodwa engingakusho nje and engikubonile ukuthi-ke i-South Africa idinwe kakhulu, especially-ke abantu laphana-ke ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana ku-Facebook nje, abantu-ke bathukuthele kakhulu-ke ngayo le video. Ngibonge kakhulu bafethu ngokuthamela-ke le video-ke, ungawalindela namanye kuyona-ke i-Chef The Soul TV, nje sisazoqhubeka si-engage on a daily basis mayelana-ke nezinto esizibonayo of which we will feel like-ke lezo zinto ku-right ukuthi sithethe ngazo la kuyona i-channel. Danko.